Hi everyone, my name's Cathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've sold the pine table and chairs that I had here, a rectangular one, so you can see the space better now. It's next to the sink and under the window, and all the way round is tongue and groove. My next project is going to be building built-in benches, so we'll have one going right across here. They will be made in a wood frame with tongue and groove on the front and a lift-off lid for storage, and bench seats, bench cushions and normal cushions. So it's quite a biggish space now. It looks really lovely. So I need to start getting the wood in now. I've got a few bits of it, pieces of wood, but I haven't got them all yet. So I'm excited. I'm not going to build a back to them because I've got the tongue and groove up against the wall. So basically it's just going to be low benches, lift off seats, and I've got a round pine table which I bought the other week on eBay for 20 quid. So I might put one chair next to the table as well, maybe two, because I've got 3 chairs. So we'll see how it goes. And it's going to look pretty because I've got a vintage tablecloth to go on my lovely round table as well. And I'm making lots of cushions. I buy second-hand cushions, wash the cushion pads and make new covers from denim jeans because I like using denim. And I've got a few velvet ones there I've picked up as well. So it'll be a combination of different materials, but mostly denim. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know if you're doing any sort of renovation or DIY jobs to save money too. We've got to, because we live on a tiny budget. So bye for now, and let me know what you think in the comments below.